Ever seen a car get folded like paper or a bulldozer torn apart like a toy? In this series, you'll witness raw machine power. Shredders, crushers, and balers doing the impossible. But it's not just smashing stuff. Every twist, rip, and crunch is part of a smart, controlled process handled by skilled operators. The VTNSHEARCI 13000 is a heavy-duty scrap machine that rips through trucks like paper, powered to crush metal with precision and raw force. This beast isn't just about smashing. It's part of the complex process of recycling, where huge trucks are carefully dismantled and crushed to be reborn as new steel. Operators must work skillfully to control this powerful shear, balancing strength with safety, because one wrong move could turn a big scrap job into a giant mess. So while it looks like total destruction, it's actually smart, controlled recycling, with just a pinch of, watch out, that's intense energy. The rotor shear type, ES60 to 120, is a powerful machine designed to shred old glass with precision and strength, turning bulky waste into manageable pieces. Crushing glass isn't just smashing. It's a careful process to ensure safety and efficiency, because broken glass can be tricky and dangerous to handle. Operators need skill and focus to keep everything running smoothly while the machine does its heavy-duty job. So what looks like chaos is actually a finely tuned dance of power and control, breaking glass down to build something new, one shard at a time. This machine rips through aluminum engines like they're made of paper, combining serious power with precise control. But shredding isn't just about brute force. It's a careful process to break down metal for recycling, saving energy and materials. Operators need steady hands and sharp focus to keep everything running smoothly, because one mistake can turn a clean job into a loud metal mess. So, what seems like chaos is actually smart recycling, with just enough crunch to keep it exciting. This giant machine tackles steel tanks like they're made of cardboard, crushing with raw power and precision. But breaking down a steel tank isn't just smashing. It's part of a careful recycling process that turns heavy scrap into reusable metal. Operators need skill and attention to safely control the powerful equipment, because one wrong move can cause a big mess. So, what looks like chaos is actually a smart, tough job turning old steel into something new, with a satisfying crunch on the side. This beast of a machine, powered by a 700 horsepower engine, turns huge logs into wood chips like magic. Fast, strong, and precise. But chipping wood isn't just smashing logs. It's a careful process to create uniform chips for everything from energy to paper. Operators need serious skills to handle this powerful drum chipper safely and efficiently, because one slip can turn a smooth operation into a flying wood chip party. So, while it looks like chaos, it's actually a finely tuned dance of power and control, chipping away at nature with a punch. This machine shreds aluminum scrap with serious power, breaking big pieces into smaller, reusable bits. But it's not just about force. Operators carefully manage the process to save energy and stay safe. What looks like chaos is actually smart, efficient recycling in action. This heavy-duty machine crushes a Ram truck like it's nothing, blending strength with careful handling. But breaking down a vehicle isn't just smashing metal. It's a detailed process to prepare materials for recycling. Skilled operators keep everything under control to ensure safety and efficiency, turning what seems like chaos into a smooth, powerful recycling operation. Turning woven carpet waste into reusable material isn't easy. It requires careful sorting and cleaning because of all the fibers and glue. It's a tricky process that takes patience. But what looks like a mess is really a smart way to recycle and give carpets new life. This single shaft shredder tears plastic bottles into small pieces, ready for recycling. It's not just about breaking plastic. It's a precise process that helps clean and prepare materials to be reused. Operators carefully control the machine to keep things efficient and safe, turning what looks like a mess into a smooth recycling flow. This demolition shear cuts through metal like butter, blending power with precision. Operators carefully control it to safely break down structures for recycling, turning chaos into a smooth, efficient process. This machine crushes tough materials with power and precision, turning hard jobs into smooth, efficient recycling, thanks to skilled operators managing every step. This powerful scrap shear tears through bulldozers with ease, turning heavy metal into manageable pieces. But scrapping isn't just smashing. It's a precise job requiring skill to safely break down tough machinery for recycling. What looks like destruction is actually careful, efficient work behind the scenes. This powerful machine shreds heavy materials with precision and strength. It's not just about force. Operators carefully control the process to safely break down scrap for recycling, turning tough tasks into smooth, efficient work. These shredders break down old cars into smaller pieces, making recycling easier and more efficient. It's not just smashing metal. It's a careful process where operators ensure safety and precision to give old vehicles a new life through recycling. This dual-shaft shredder tears through tough materials with steady power and precision. It's not just about brute force. Operators carefully control the process to break down scraps safely and efficiently, turning heavy waste into manageable pieces ready for recycling. This car baler crushes old vehicles into tight bundles, making them easier to transport and recycle. It's not just about squeezing metal. It's a precise process that helps reduce waste and save space, all handled carefully by skilled operators to keep things safe and efficient.